બોલ્યો માગલ અસ્મંદ્યાર ખરાબ રીતે ચાલે છે તારો શેરિયા તાજ દેવામાં કરશે જોહર યઝદાનના નામથી લઈશું શપથ હાથે હું લઈ સર પર તાજ ईरान पर करीશું शरफराज। वाह फिरदौसी टूसी, कहा था तूने जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा फिरदौसी तेरा नाम रहेगा। आज दरायस कातरक ने तुम्हें याद किया। वाला अमदीनो તમે સરપ્રાઈઝ થશો કે અહીં બેટની સાથે શું મારી આજે ટોપિક ને બેટની સાથે શું કન્સર્ન છે। હું જ્યારે ઘેરમાંથી નીકળ્યો આજે ત્યારે મારા બિલોવેડ વાઈફે મને કહ્યું કે લાગે છે કે તમે પાછા બોર કરવા કેટલે જઈ રહ્યા છો। તમે જરા આ મારી ફેમસ જે બેટ છે તે બોલીને સ્ટાર્ટ કરજો તમારો ક્લાસ કે જરા કોઈ તમારું સમજે ને જરા બોર બધાને ઓછું કરજો। એમને માન આપીને અહીં બેટ બોલ્યો ને મારું ટોપિક હવે હું શરૂ કરું છું। Wala Amnino, on October 29th of this year, Cyrus the Great Day was celebrated. The question arises in the minds of everybody that why Cyrus the Great? One full day is dedicated to this man and day is celebrated all over India. ઇન્ડિયામાં તો મને એટલું મને માલમ નથી સેલિબ્રેટ થાય કે નહીં, પણ ઈરાનમાં તો આઈ એમ પ્રીટી શ્યોર કે સાયરસ ધ ગ્રેટ ડે ઇઝ સેલિબ્રેટેડ ઇન અ વેરી બિગ વે. વાલા અમદીનો, those who are uninitiated, let me introduce Cyrus to you all. Cyrus in ancient Persian is known as Kurush. It is the Iranian name. And then Gaikale, when my name was announced on the social media, I got a few calls from my well-wishers. And one of my well-wishers asked me, why don't you call Kurush the Great? I Greek word je Cyrus no che. તે કાંઈ તમે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપો જ નહીં ને કે સાયરસ ધ ગ્રેટ. વાય ડોન્ટ યુ સે કુરુશ ધ ગ્રેટ? તમારી વાત સાચી છે. ટેકનિકલી યુ આર રાઈટ. આઈ એમ શ્યોર દેટ પર્સન ઇઝ હિયરિંગ, ઇઝ ધેર ઇન ધ ક્લાસ પ્રેઝન્ટ. વાલા અમનીનો, સાયરસ ઇન ધ વર્લ્ડ ઇઝ નોન એઝ સાયરસ ધ ગ્રેટ. ઇન Iran also the day Cyrus the Great is celebrated. So if we say Kurush the Great, થોડાઓને ખબર નહીં પડશે કે કોણ છે. Kareem all over the world is popular as Cyrus the Great, and then therefore આપણે માન આપીને આપણા ટ્રેડિશનથી Cyrus the Great જ આપણે કહેવાનું. Now who was Cyrus? Cyrus was the founder of the Achaemenian Empire, born to Cambyses. He defeated Astyages, the Median emperor, and started the first Parsi empire known as Achaemenian Empire. As I say, why he is called Cyrus the Great? ઘણા આ ક્વેશ્ચન મને often પૂછવામાં આવે છે. વાલા અમનીનો, when a person is called the great, when he does something unique, and thereafter he is called Cyrus the Great, because he has done something unique, and what he has done that unique, I'll be telling you all. Cyrus the Great was the first to build the world empire. Now, what do I mean by this world empire? I am told by Sherazad that there are some children also in this class, and I must come down to the level of children and explain. So please don't get offended, the adults, if you know what I'm talking. When I say world empire, he built meaning to simplify. After a respected Narendra Modi is ruling after one nation. Cyrus the Great ruled after many nations. He was the first to build a world empire. Valamdino. So vast the empire was that if a person starts from one kingdom, one corner of the kingdom, he used to take 2 years to reach the another on a horseback. તે વખતે કોઈ પ્લેન નહીં હતા, તે વખતે કોઈ ટ્રેન નહીં હતું, બધું horseback પર થતું હતું. What an amazing setup it must have been at an age when there were no phones, no telephones, no fax machines, no mobile phones. How from one kingdom to the other they used to convey the message. Our Zoroastrian's name is attached to first. The first is attached to our Zoroastrian name. There are many firsts. For example, King Jamshed discovered first time wine. Cyrus the Great first time built a whole empire. પછી history આગળનું નહીં જવા because of shortage of time. There was Darius the Great, who started first time the postal service, graduate to today courier service. So આપણા Zoroastrian's contribution ઘણું છે, and it all started.
Sorry to interrupt. Let me know when I should change the slide.
Okay, still time.
Haji.
He was the first to build the world empire. Also, why he was called Cyrus the Great? Because he was the first one to issue the Bill of Human Rights. And now what I call by human rights, as I said, I'll have to come down to the level of a children of age group of 7 to 12. So I will have to simplify. We all humans have got 30 basic human rights. That is, a human has got a right to do and to live. He has got basic human rights. Cyrus the Great was the first one to issue the Bill of Human Rights. And on 29th of October, why it is selected? Why the day 29th? Because on the day 29 October, he issued his Bill of Human Rights for the first time. You can change the slide, Sherazad. Here you see Cyrus the Great in standing position. See the personality of the king. Rarely you get a chance to see any leader in this particular dress in today's time. Next slide, please. Here you see Cyrus the Great. Jara close lejo, I slide position jara slow scale lokone dekhai. Here you see Cyrus the Great. See very carefully, you see his hand, one hand is up. કઈ તમારા ધ્યાનમાં આવે આપણો ફ્લાવરશી તમે જોશો ઇમેજ તો એનો એક રાઈટ હેન્ડ ઉપર હોય. અહીં સાયરસ ધ ગ્રેટ નો તમે જો રાઈટ હેન્ડ ઉપર છે. That is, we have to follow the right part. There is only one part and that is the right part. There is no another part. That is what he wants to convey. તમને જોયું હશે તો ફ્લાવરશી નો બી રાઈટ હેન્ડ ઉપર છે. ઘણા સવાલ પૂછવામાં આવે કે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ ઉપર હોય નહીં, રાઈટ હેન્ડ ઉપર. which ever direction the image of the flavershi is okay, but his right hand should be up. And that is what is shown to you by none other than Cyrus the Great. Remember the respect he had for the Zoroastrian religion. The Mazdayasni religion disproves it. And about his, you see, he is having, wings. It is a wing relief which has got large, wings, 4 large wings. Jara picture clear nati. I'm very sorry. This was not a very clear picture, but whatever we had, Sherazad has done his best. Now here in the picture, you see the wings, and also you see his end up, and also you see a round cap over his the round over his head. The cap over his head, a peculiar type of cap. Over his head, you see the cap, and over that you see the 2 horns. And about his figure, there is a inscription. Wala bachao inscription એટલે writing. There is a writing on the top of this figure which says, I am Cyrus the Achaemenian. What it means? What it means, Wala Amdino? That Cyrus himself, ordered for this, figure to convey the message about his belief in the Mazdayasni system. Next slide, please, Saradad. So popular Cyrus is that you can see his sculpture in Tajikistan. This Tajikistan was once, part of Iran. Now it is a separate country, but mark of respect to Cyrus the Great. This, is still kept over there. Sculpture of Cyrus the Great in Tajikistan. Shows the Cyrus the Great's popularity even today. Wait, Sereza. Ladies and gentlemen, this slide shows our Cyrus the Great with our prophet Ashur Zarathustra. This in Persian is written only that. But I am given to understand that Cyrus the Great Day is celebrated with a holiday in Iran. They are following our firstly calendar. Remember, આજે Iranમાં આપણું firstly calendar use કરવામાં આવે છે even by Iranians. I'm not talking about only Iranian Zoroastrians, but I'm talking about all the Iranians. Little different, it will be in pronunciation. Like Amardat ne લોકો અમરદાત કહે. એટલે થોડા pronunciations of our angels na ફરક પડે છે. But the Roj 30 remains the same. So here it depicts this picture that I have read it myself, that in Iran, from next year onwards, our Zarathustra Paigambarno Divas, Janamno Divas will be also celebrated in Iran. See the importance given by the Republic of Islam to our, Prophet Ashur Zarathustra Paigambar. Whenever we have been to Iran, there is no fear you should have over there. પહેલે બુરખા પહેરતા હતા, હવે કે બુરખા પહેરવાની જરૂર નથી, ખાલી legs, hands have to be covered. And આપો લોકોને ટોપી બી પહેરવાની compulsory નથી, પણ mark of respect પહેરવાની ને આઓને scarf પહેરવાનું. કઈ બીજું એવું restriction નથી. કેટલે આપોને કોઈને fear નથી આપતા. There are Atas Kadesh over there. We go freely in Atas Kadesh. We worship the fire. No threat, no, fear is over there. વાલા અમરીનો ઈરાન નહીં જયા હોય ને કોડાએ તમને પૈસા આપ્યા હોય તો જરૂર જજો. And go to our Madare Watan, our spiritual motherland. So this depicts, in Persian what I have said. Now, Sareza, don't show the next slide. Wait for a moment. As I said, Cyrus the Great is called because he was the first one to build a world empire, and he was the first one to issue a bill of human rights, which I told you. Now, as I said, Cyrus used to conquer the non-Iranian kingdoms also. એનું તો ચાલતું જ હતું પર્શિયામાં, he was the king. But when he used to conquer the non-Iranian kingdoms, keeping in mind the human rights, that each and every human has a right to live, right to education, right to justice. When he conquered the non-Iranian kingdoms, he made it very clear. I am not going to use my monarchy on them. All the citizens, are free to follow, continue to follow their own culture and religions. What a man the Cyrus the Great. And therefore, these three type of people, ladies and gentlemen, are called, Cyrus the Great. મેં તમને વાલા હમદીનો કહ્યું, આ ખાસ કરીને બચ્ચાઓને માટે છે અહીં કે you have a right to live, you have a right to education. ઘેરના જઈને મમ્માને કઈ પ્રેશર ના મૂકતા ને પપ્પાને, I have got a right to education, come on, I want to become pilot. તમારા મમ્મા પપ્પા મને મારવા ઘેરે આવી જશે. બધાની શક્તિ જોવાની પેરેન્ટ્સોની ને પછી આગળ ચાલવાનું. એક શાયરી યાદ આવે એ પરથી, એક માય યાદ આવે કરે, એક શાયરી યાદ આવે છે. बादल के बिना बारिश न होती, रात के बिना दिन नहीं होता, एक माँ न होती तो एक दिल नहीं होता, एक दिल नहीं होता तो तुम्हारे सामने डरेस कातरक नहीं होता. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not Daras Katrak who is saying all that. That what Apra Cyrus the Great has done it. There is a proof on a document. Sarazad, next slide, please. Here is the proof of what all I have said. There is something that comes into the mind is about the human touch of Cyrus the Great, and that is he liberated the 70,000 Jews under the captivity of Babylon. Not only he freed the Jews, but also he helped them to build their temples. Apone kai concern nati Christian temples ate, but a mark of respect to the culture and religion of the other religions. So he helped them to construct their famous Solomon temple. What a man Cyrus the Great must have been. All his, ideas and all that of human rights and everything are followed. And this is the document. I can cylinder, આપણું gas cylinder માં મલીડો આપણે બનાવીએ તે cylinder નથી. This is the document in Cuneiform script. I તમે જે ઉપર જાઓ આપણી ચોપડી કેમ રોમન સ્ક્રિપ્ટ માં આવે. આ એક ડોક્યુમેન્ટ છે એ Cuneiform સ્ક્રિપ્ટ માં છે. એની ઉપર લખેલું છે I Cyrus એ શું કીધું. Cyrus built the whole empire. Cyrus, issued a bill of human rights for the first time. All that is mentioned on this document. We have a source of document today. So nobody can say that this is what our religious speakers are talking. This is the proof on this cylinder, call it Cyrus cylinder. This cylinder was discovered in 1879 under the auspices of UK Museum. Clear so far? Human rights, all this is mentioned on this cylinder.
So where is this cylinder right now, Daras uncle?
Yes. Now the question asks is,
where is the cylinder placed right
UK
now?
Museum.
Sorry. Okay.
But the
Thank you.
questions are asked is, why in UK Museum? Why not in Iran? Because the excavation was done under the auspices of, UK Museum. And they had discovered at the gate of Babylon. So મારા હિસાબે એ લોકોને કે રાઈટ હશે કે એ લોકોએ જે કીધું અમારે હક છે લઈ જવાનો. So it is kept, in UK Museum.
Interesting. Thank you.
Can I continue?
Yes, please.
Next slide. As I said to you, Cyrus built a world empire. તમે આ બાજુ જાઓ, Persian empire છે. He brought all under one rule. Persian માટે આડો હતો જ. પણ there were, Medes, there were other, countries. So he brought all them in under one rule in the Persian. All the Iranians he brought in under one rule. And also તમે left પર આવ્યો તો Neo-Babylonian empire. So he was ruling after many nations, not one nation which is ruled by our Prime Minister today respected. Those days, they were ruling after many nations like Cyrus the Great. તમે આગળ history માં આવો Achaemenid dynasty, તો Cyrus એ conquer કર્યા nations. પછીથી જે આયો Darius the Great, એને 23 નેશન્સ પર રૂલ કરતો હતો ને એની આગળ ઝક્સીસ ધ ગ્રેટ આવ્યો, એને 28 નેશન્સ પર રૂલ કરી. લેડીઝ એન્ડ જેન્ટલમેન, just imagine a one king ruling after 28 nations, but that was success. Whereas એનો મારી પાસે કાઉન્ટ નથી કે એક્ઝેક્ટલી સાયરસ ધ ગ્રેટ કેટલા નેશન્સ રૂલ કરતો હતો. મારી પાસે કાઉન્ટ છે Darius the Great નો 23 and 28 of success. We'll do some work, Serazar and Kerman, and we will also try to update our, the Iranian Zoroastrians ke kitla exactly countries, even, Cyrus, was ruling. Next slide, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Wala Amdino, Cyrus died at the age of 71 after ruling for approximately 31 years. But those days the king had a foresight. આજે બી આપણે જિંદે રમણનું ભણાવી દઈએ જ ને કે કાલે દીકરા દીકરીઓ કોઈ ભણાવ્યું નહીં ભણાવ્યું. These kings, were not depending on anybody. They used to have their own things ready even after the death. આપણે જેમ જિંદે રવાન સેરેમની કરાવીએ જ, અનુસાર રવાન નહીં થાય, પણ જિંદે રવાનની બી સેરેમની કાંઈ થાય, because they are not sure કે એ લોકોનું બી કોઈ હશે નહીં હશે. So at the age of 71, he died in one of the battlefield, seriously wounded. But before that, he built a city at Pasargad. Pasargad એટલે home of Persians. Yes, Teresa. This is Pasargad, the home of Persians, where, he built palaces, he built museums, he built, also our Ataskad is over there. This Pasargad was surrounded by a wall, and inside were parks, temples, palaces, and our agyaris. And the slide which Serazad showed you of, Cyrus the Great, any wing relief, Serazade apune bataવ્યું wing release of Cyrus the Great. This is Pasargad. See behind. Now there are ruins. You see ruins over there when you visit. But this is very much still there. I have seen it myself, this, figure of Cyrus the Great. Before, and along with parks, palaces, he built his own Astodan. Serazad, please show that slide. This is Astodan of Cyrus. With due respect to people, they call some tomb of Cyrus. But I call it Astodan of Cyrus. This is Astodan of Cyrus. This, Asto, etle bones. Dan etle to deposit the bones. To deposit his bones in this, Astodan, he built it. That his bones, after he dies, have to be kept in this Astodan. Mara religious mentor, respected Edward Dr. Ramia Karanjia, calls this, Junnu Dakmu Astodan ne. Tame agal history avo to Nakher Rustamma. There are, Astodans of even other kings. He had built it before they died, so that their bones are kept, in their respective Astodans. So this, ladies and gentlemen, Serazad, give me a minute on this slide. You see the 7 steps. Do you see from the below? You see the 7 steps, which goes ultimately into a small chamber, the small gate which you see. Inside are the bones of Cyrus the Great kept. These 7, steps, બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ છે. Links to what તમારા ધ્યાનમાં આવે છે કે 7 આસમાન, which wishes, Cyrus, the એનું soul. આપણે કોઈ જોઈ ગુજરી જાય તો પ્લીઝ રેસ્ટ ઇન પીસ નહીં બોલવાનું. Let his soul rest in peace બોલવાનું. May his soul progress to the highest, asman, high place of God, home of God. May his soul progress to the highest asman. એમ બોલવાનું આપુને નહીં બોલવાનું rest in peace. Our soul don't rest in peace. They keep progressing even after the death. So these 7 steps links to the 7 asmans, and wishes Capra Cyrus do soul reaches the highest asman. This, ladies and gentlemen, Astodan of Cyrus. I will take a minute more, Serazad, give me on this, because there is something very interesting which the Iranians even follow today. This Astodan, was built 2,500 years ago, and even today, it is intact. There was no cement use. It was earthquake resistance. See the skill that our Zoroastrians must have got to make it, earthquake resistance, because they were knowing that we don't want to take a chance that it gets destroyed. And this Astrodan of Cyrus Vala Amdino, something very interesting is that આપણે જ્યારે આપણા લગ્ન થાય ત્યારે આપણે ઉડવાડા આતસ બેરામ જઈએ. Iranians, I'm not talking about Irani Zoroastrians, but I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, Vala Amrino, Iranians, they go after wedding and visit this place of Cyrus the Astrodan for his blessings. મને ઘણા જણ કહેવામાં આવે છે કે આપણા Irani Zoroastrians, even after wedding over here in India, they go to Dungarwadi. Enta Dakhman e loko respect ape. Also, the 2,500, see the government, Republic of Islam giving respect to our Zoroastrians over there. મેં કહ્યું તેમ આપણું આતસ કરે છે, અસ્ટોડાન છે, આપણી પાછું ઘણું છે બધું ઇન્ટેક્ટ જોવાના માટે. તો this place the government started celebrating, sorry, that time Republic Islam ની કે બીજા રાજા હતા, પાલવી કરીને રાજા હતા, તેઓને 2,500 years celebration of the kingdom of Achaemenian Empire started from this Astrodan of Cyrus. If my memory serves me right, it was in the year 1971. Next slide, please. Vala Amdino, this is the gate of all nations, which is in, when you go to Persepolis. પાછી એક શાયરી યાદ આવે છે મને. પાછી એક નલ્લી છે, આ એટલી લાંબી નથી. आगरा जाके ताजमहल सभी देखते हैं, जो आगरा जाके बीवी का मकबरा नहीं देखा उसने आगरा नहीं देखा. इन लाइक मैनर ईरान जाके डमावन को सभी देखते हैं. ईरान जाके जिसने परसेपोलिस नहीं देखा उसने ईरान नहीं देखा. This is why it is called Gate of All Nations. Let me explain to my children here. Gate of all nations means, I explained to you all that he was the king of many nations. So all these kings of the nation used to come on the Nowruz day at Persepolis with a gift for the king, and that king was Darius the Great. So this is an entrance to why I have decided to show this slide is that Persepolis palaces were constructed by Darius, which was continued by his son Xerxes. But Cyrus the Great selected, he chose the site of Persepolis. And that is why I requested Sarazat to show this slide. Persepolis એટલે પોલીસ એટલે સિટી ને પાર્સ એટલે સિટી છે, પાસ નામ છે, ને પોલીસ એટલે સિટી ઓફ પાસ or city of Persians. Ladies and gentlemen, I request Sherazad to go to the next slide. This Sherazad, brought to my notice yesterday. The popularity of Cyrus is out of Iran. મેં તમને તાજિકિસ્તાનમાં કહ્યું, sees popularity in Los Angeles. આ શું ચીજ છે? તમને બધાને માલુમ હશે કે આ સાયરસ સિલિન્ડર છે. Am I right, Sherazad?
Yes.
Sherazad has worked very hard in the night to see that he shows you this slide. This was to show you, the popularity of Cyrus the Great extended to Los Angeles, California. Next slide, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to the concluding part of my lecture. You can't be talking of Achaemenian Empire in just 20 to 25 minutes. It takes a very long time. But the time which we have got today, I've tried to cover the glimpse of the Achaemenian dynasty. Looking at the good thoughts, the good words, and good deeds. Wala children, what I mean by good deeds, that is your action. તમે જે કરો, first the thought comes in your mind. The good thought leads to the good words. Then your good words leads to your good actions. Deeds, that is called deeds. તમે જે કરો તે પછી. Cyrus, looking at the thought of Cyrus, કે નહીં એક હ્યુમન રાઇટ્સ મળવા જ જોઈએ. That was his thoughts. He put it into words that and into his action by liberating the Jews, building them their famous Solomon temple. He had a human touch. He made it very clear, okay, what if I'm a king? I will not use my monarchy on anybody. Even the king of those nations were allowed to behave the way they wanted it. See the man, this is what I call the human touch. That he had a human touch along with his good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. And therefore, I'm telling again and again, that was his human touch. Valamdino, we cannot do much about this great king, but in a small way, we can do. On 29th October in Iran, the Cyrus the Great Day is celebrated. I wish that we also celebrate Apro Cyrus. He was a Parsi. Apro Cyrus the Great Day on the 29th of October 2021. Jasdan Panabad, Dejo Shadbad.
Raish uncle, on behalf of everyone in the class today, thank you so much. This was a very enlightening talk. I really learned a lot myself today. And just a couple of questions from everyone around here. So, एक question, Vachu, will you address them, please?
Sure.
Okay. So the first question is, what is the name Achaemenid derived from?
Oh, it's a lovely question. Normally, this dynasty is named after a person. For example, I can give Aksanian dynasty. Those who are familiar with the dynasties, Zoroastrian dynasties, there were 5. Starting with the Pestadian dynasty, which was the first dynasty, followed by the Keanian dynasty. Keanian એટલે એ લોકો ખોરે ધરાવતા હતા Keanian. ખોરે, divine energy ખોરે એટલે. એ લોકો કરીને all started with Kaikusru, Kaikobat. That is, they were having the khore of divine energy. Then came the Achaemenian dynasty. Then came the Ascanian dynasty. Ascanian also Arsak પછી નામ પડ્યું. And finally, the Sasanian dynasty, was from the name Sasanian. અહીં એક બહુ મજાનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે અકામની ડાયનેસ્ટી કોના નામ પરથી પડ્યું? Valamdino, if you have seen and if you have heard me saying, I have not said Achaemenian dynasty. Cyrus the Great was founder of. I have said Achaemenian empire, the first empire. The Achaemenian dynasty, if we go in depth and find out about the history of Achaemenian dynasty, there was a king by name Achaemenes, who was the ancestor of Cyrus. He started this royal dynasty. Then, his son Tipis, he, had 2 sons. Tipis had 2 sons. And, after that, after Tipis, the Achaemenian, kings started ruling in 2 lines. In one line was our Cyrus the Great, and the other line was, Darius the Great and Xerxes the Great. So Cyrus the Great was the descendant of, Achaemenes on the left-hand side of one line. And yes, he became the independent king. Overall lordship was there of the Media king. But when Cyrus came, he defeated Astyages and, became the independent king and founded the empire, and from there rest is history. He conquered nations after nations. So the name Achaemenid dynasty was named after the founder Achaemenes.
Thank you.
So I made
Thank you. The next questions I accidentally answered. The question was whatever you showed, whatever structures you showed, were they all in Iran? So yes, they were in Iran. And the next question was by Kerman. Can you elaborate on the text mentioned below his Astoran?
Can you show the slide of Astoran?
Just a moment.
Yes. On all my 3 visits to Iran so far, I was very eager to see a inscription. Inscription મેં તમને કેવું તેમ writing. I was knowing that there is an inscription there which existed once, but it no longer exists, On my 3rd visit also, I tried, but it no longer exists. What this inscription, remember Valamdino, Cyrus the Great, had written, little before he died, and it was put near the Astodan. What this inscription, states, "Oh man, whoever you are, and wherever you come from, I know you will come. I am Cyrus, who won for the Persians their empire. Do not grudge this memorial that deposits my bone." વાલામડીનો ટાઈમ ઓછો છે જેટલો કે પાછે હું તમને અહીં વાંચીને કહેતે કે so powerful this writing of Cyrus the Great was that when Alexander burnt Persepolis, from there he came to destroy and dismantle this Astodan with his soldiers. But when he came to the Astodan, his eyes fell on this inscription, this writing. He was so touched, Alexander, a man of Alexander, stature. So moved he was with this inscription that he stopped his soldiers from, destroying it. He kneeled down, removed his crown, and, salute, Cyrus the Great. And did not, dismantle this. Had this inscription was not there, Valamdino, this Astodan of Cyrus would have been not shown by us today. As I said, this consists of marble blocks, huge marble blocks, with clamped, there is no cement used. So many years after 2,500 years also, Toru Ganu ene karelu che repair, but it is still intact. Where other palaces and parks and all that, when I moved in Pasarghat city, were in ruins. But this is intact. From the distance, let me not exaggerate, nothing less than our Taj Mahal hotel. I think I have answered, Sarita.
Thank you. Just one last question. We have to do something else as well. So, was Cyrus the Great a Mazdayasni? Is there any evidence for the same?
This is the common question asked. Was Cyrus a Parsi? Was he the follower of Mazda Yasni? Again, if I say, it will be Darius Katrak who have said it. But there is a source. Again, show that slide, Sherazar, of Cyrus cylinder. Valamdino, I question a important question often asked to me when I address the gathering. કે સાયરસ આપણે બોલાવીએ સાયરસ આપણા કોમ્યુનિટીમાં નામ છે was Cyrus a Zoroastrian? Was Cyrus following the Mazdayasni religion? What will convince you more than if I say it is written on this document? પછી મારી પાસે કોઈ બીજો સોર્સ નથી કોઈની પાસે. If people can read the cuneiform script, Cyrus, as it is described over here. It is described here that I announce after he, conquered nations. He has mentioned that I announce that I will not use my monarchy on these nations. Monarchy એટલે kingship. On these nations ne authority ne એ લોકોને જે કરવું હોય મને કરવાનું છે તે જે લોકોને કહે no. He announced that it did, and also what he announced was. Now it answers your question. As long as Aura Mazda grants me this kingdom, as long as Aura Mazda grants me this kingdom, I promise to follow my own culture and religion. This is a proof on Cyrus the cylinder of he being Mazda Yasni. That I have answered.
Thank you, Dada Sheetal.